One of the resources you can use this summer has to deal with reviewing some of the things we went over during the course of the past year. So here is the login information for Math in Focus. The students know how to get to the Math in Focus website. If not, there's a link right on the landing page of the Canvas course, and that link will not bring you there. Let me log out here. This is the teacher's version. That link will bring you here, and then we can put in the login information, and the password is the same as the login information. And it will bring you here to course 3, which was pre-algebra. Now, if you go into the student online book, I think most of the things that should be reviewed before Algebra 1 are in the 3A textbook. And I think it might be wise to review material in chapters 3, 4, 5, and 6. And one of the best resources for doing that would be to go into the student resources section, and you'll see, for instance, for chapter 3, 3.1, activities and practice, you can pull up an extra practice worksheet, and there are plenty of problems to review. And as far as how to handle these kind of problems, if you go back to the textbook, back to the student version of the textbook, let's go to chapter 3, which is where that worksheet was from. Let's see, it starts on page 92. So page 92, enter. You can go back to the online textbook and you can see examples. Here's 3.1, solving linear equations with one variable. You can see examples on how to solve those problems. So I will also email you the extra practice answer key for these problems. So you can review using the extra practice worksheets, which you get by going to the student resources section. You can use the book examples to help you get through those, and you can use the answer key I'm going to send you to check your work. I can also stop by the school and make sure there is an Algebra 1 textbook available if you want to take a peek at the upcoming work that you'll have. I think you're going to find that a lot of it aligns to this kind of stuff. So between the extra practice worksheets, the answer keys, and the online textbook to help you get through them, I think you'll have plenty of material to review this summer. So let me know if you have any other questions.